Good evening, everyone, members of the school faculty, the parents, and your young graduates. So I prepared a speech so that I don't keep blabbering on for hours as I do with my kid. So standing here today as a parent is a very special moment for all of us and my family as well. When we first started looking out for a school for our son, we were looking at various factors that included ICSE curriculum, something that is affordable, and all positive experiences that parents have shared. Christ the King School matched all those requirements, and behold, we are here today after 3 years, where my son is getting graduated in kindergarten. So looking back, I feel this has been a wonderful journey. Like many parents here today, I still remember his first day when he came here. He was crying, holding my hand tightly, not wanting to leave us. But as and when the days went on, he was more confident. He wanted to get to school, to be with his friends, to spend time with them. And I think everybody knows Luke's name, most of them over here. So he's made friends with almost everybody, not only from his class, but also from parents, from with children from higher classes as well as lower. So he likes to spend his time with most of his friends here. There are quite a few of them. He names some of them quite often, but I don't want to take names because that will be impartial. And even when it comes to his teachers, he does share a special bond with his teachers. When we try to ask him who is his favorite, he doesn't point out one person's name. He says all of them. So we are very proud as parents for him, and even for the school as well. So I think out of all the schools that we have chosen, I think we made the right choice, and even he feels so. Sometimes we just tease him, telling him that we'll change his school, and he starts crying because he doesn't want to go anywhere else. So I think he's doing a wonderful job. The teachers are doing a wonderful job, and thank you everybody who's involved in their growth. And I think it's a wonderful opportunity for him to become a wonderful person. As I think the parent prior to me, Renita, mentioned, it's not only about the academics here, it's about the cultural activities, the sports and everything else that the children are encouraged to do, which is something very rare, and I think that is what is more important. That is why I feel this school is something that can nurture the students to become, as a whole, better human beings. So, end of the day, in the current situation, the world needs better human beings. So thank you everybody.